My name is Leonard. I am the CEO of OGateway Company Limited. We are a PSP, or should I say a payment service provider here in Africa. We provide businesses with collection and payouts rails here in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Uganda. I believe data is everything, right? Data tells you a story of what has happened in the past and where to look at in the future. So here at OGateway, we use data to more or less give us insights and feedback on what we are doing right, what we can improve, the other opportunities that we can look out for, right? So yeah, gathering all this data helps us make very, very critical decisions in our organization. We got in contact with Blossom Academy because they had some fellows or interns who were pretty skilled in data analytics, and we more or less got some interns to help us understand the data that we are currently gathering. So with the intern that we got, we've been able to more or less understand what our customers need, understand what products or services that we need to consider in the future, just because of our partnership with Blossom Academy. I tell them all the time that they have been of very, very big help to the organization. Today, my entire customer support team is full of Blossom Academy alumni, right? The whole team of 4, and also one person from quality assurance, also from Blossom Academy. They bring in a new perspective, right, of what we didn't used to see before, right? We are able to get more understanding on our success rates, our failure rates, various reasons to why things are going well or not well. They do an amazing job with that, right? They even also extend beyond what we actually brought them here for, right? Today, they help with the finance dashboards to actually track our revenue, our costs, our net profits. They have a very, very beautiful Power BI dashboard that we currently use for the finance team that we really appreciate. Even though, like, they go above and beyond, right, to do all these things that we didn't actually even bring them here for. And I think they've been a very, very big help to us, and we appreciate the value that they're bringing to us. I would always recommend Blossom Academy to other businesses. Reason being that they are value for money, right, as compared to going out there doing a very, very tedious process of trying to hire like an expert or whatnot. I feel we should try and give interns more opportunities to actually come in and then display their talents and showcase what they can actually do, right? And that's what OGateway did with Blossom Academy, and I think we haven't regretted so far. Getting these interns in here has really helped our whole talent acquisition process, because hitherto we would have been on LinkedIn or other HR firms doing like rigorous work, trying to bring in like experts and all that. But then getting to know these interns and seeing what they're doing today, I feel like it's high time people actually give more opportunities to such interns. And I think Blossom Academy is one of the best places to go to sort out interns for AI and data analytics.